Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. Do you know how to promote your business? Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how to do it. John and Mary Food is complimented by everyone. They turned their kitchen into a lucrative business. They started selling to neighbors, friends and relatives. Later on, they made some pamphlets and distributed to small businesses in the neighborhood. Overnight, they became famous throughout the city, thanks to the word-of-mouth marketing. They started to make money and invested in organizing food tasting in supermarkets, department stores, shopping centers, and events. The excellent outcome led them to create an e-commerce website with loyalty program and some social media profiles. Nationally famous, they took part in TV shows, collaborated with other creators in the same niche. And you, how will you promote your business? Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!